Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture we are going to discuss the questions asked in SEBI Grade A Phase 2 exam which was held yesterday, and we will provide the most accurate questions with answers. And as we have talked to many students including CA and paper, based on the feedback we are telling that it was not easy paper but it was a moderate. So difficulty level was moderate, and we will discuss our questions now. So first question, it was asked in yesterday exam. As per trait theory, decisiveness, intelligence, judgmental ability, knowledge and emotions are the example of personality traits. Numerical were asked. Some numerical were very simple, only the calculation you have to make, and some direct formula based, direct concept based questions were asked. 2-3 questions we can ignore that were little difficult. So sale price is 40 per unit, fixed cost is 60,000, contribution by sales is 40%, find BEP units, break-even point. So this formula is for break-even point, quantity into sale price, quantity at break-even point into sale price, the total fixed cost divided by P/V ratio. So from here we can calculate 3750 units, that we have covered in our content. This one also, personality trait also we have covered in our content. Rupees 60 purchase price of share, initial margin requirement is 40% and maintenance margin is 20%. At what price call will be triggered? So purchase price is 40%, initial margin is 24, so maintenance margin is 12%. So if fall in price will be 12 rupees, means 20% of this purchase price, so that will reach up to the maintenance margin level, that will be 60 minus k 12, so price will be approximate 40. So we exactly don't know, but what was the option? I think some students are saying that 45 was the option, nearest option. So at 45 the price call will be triggered, the margin call will be triggered, not price call, this is margin call. Next question, GM attends meeting of Chamber of Commerce and Industry on the behalf of organization. He is fulfilling role as spokesperson. Supply of hotel room with breakfast and dinner is considered as composite supply under GST. Differentiator between M1 and M3 is time deposit with bank. Easy question. So Keynesian theory of employment and output are determined by effective demand. This was also an easy question. Concept of fiscal deficit, and many students have asked about this question specifically. So that closest option in the given in the SEBI paper, as per our feedback from the student, total receipt minus k total expenditure is the closest answer to this question. A special auditor is appointed by. This question was also a doubtful question, and many students have doubt on this different answer. But as per the Company Act, the special auditor is appointed by board of directors on the recommendation of central government. So closest option may be central government, also board of directors, but as it is clearly written there that appointment is done by the board of directors based on the government government recommendation. So special auditor is appointed by board of directors. Interpersonal aspect of management, which deals directly with the influencing, guiding, supervising, motivating subordinates for the achievement of organization goals. So directing. Next question, the Philip curve describe the debenture. The Philip curves describe the inverse relationship of inflation and employment. This was a simple question. When a company is liquidated, the debenture holders have a prior right for principal and interest. Which of the following is not a money market instrument? Derivative is an easy question. It tries to improve the business as a whole by creating a standard way of working, increasing efficiency, and eliminating business waste. Kaizen definition, it was given in the exam. it is an instrument issued by a registered foreign institutional investor to an overseas investor who wish to invest in Indian stock market without registering themselves with the market regulators. P notes or participatory note. These questions are memory based and may not be some question be exactly that were asked in the exam, but we have tried to provide the most accurate questions. Oral communication is a type of informal communication. 5 options were given, so you have to select the true option related to the oral communication. It is the process of ensuring access to appropriate financial products and services needed by all sections of the society in general and vulnerable groups. Financial inclusion was the right answer. Psychological barrier to effective communication, premature evaluation was the right answer. The share capital of a company can be reduced by the special resolution, difference between GV and GDP. So subsidies and taxes one option was there, so you have to select that. So next question is, open interest in the future market is total contracts are currently outstanding in the market. Most volatile flow of foreign exchange. Next question. For portfolio investment, you may have heard many times in the news that for FPI have withdrawn the money from the market, and this was the right answer. Profit on forfeiture of shares and reissue of forfeited shares is transferred to capital reserve account. Simple question. Next question, characteristics of effective leader: concerned about team, high task oriented, people feel needy. Next question, as per the which section of the Companies Act 2013, Security and Exchange Board of India has the power to regulate, issue and transfer securities. Section 24. Techniques for inventory control, ABC analysis is the right answer. The demand curve for commodity is downward sloping and indicate the negative relationship between the quantity demanded and the price of commodity. Correct order of business cycle: recovery, expansion, recession and depression. Next question was, over absorption or under absorption due to normal factor is charged to supplementary rate. MRP 2, metal resource planning 2 is production scheduling technique. Which of the following is true for morale, not for motivation? Inner feeling related option was there. An auditor can be removed before expiry by board of directors. Manager while communicating potentially useful information to your colleague, disseminator. HR manager role as providing training, career planning, counseling and development is a developmental role. Not a part of cash flow from operating activities. We not what were the exact options? So that is not a part of cash flow from operating activities. These are the options: payment of operating expenses, inventory from supplier, purchase of inventory from suppliers, purchase of inventory from, or payment of taxes. These are not the part of cash flow, but part of cash flow is proceeds from sale of goods and service to customer, receipt from royalties, fees, commission and other revenues. So you have to select as per the options. So we are not aware about the exact option. FMC was merged with SEBI. It is exact. This was simple question. Share capital is rupees 1 lakh and X held 999 shares and Y held only 1 share. Then what type of relationship it is? A private company. A company has not filed annual return for 2 years. A question was given that their statement was given some that a company has not filed annual return for 2 years consecutively, and ROC can remove the name of the company as per which section of the Companies Act? Section 248(1)(c). Which of the following does not appear in cash budget? Depreciation of machinery, long-term borrowing measuring in current year would be shown under current liability. Next question, which of the following does not influence the current account deficit of a country? Many students have answered capital flows and many have answered natural resources. So based on the number of sources, we cross-check this question, and experts of economics, so they have told that natural resources is the best answer for this question. So natural resources is the right answer. Next question, goods purchased on 24/3/2011 for 1 lakh USD. Exchange rate was 46.60 at that time. Exchange rate on 31st March 2011 was 47. Payment made on 5/6/2012 rupees 47.50. Profit or loss due to exchange rate in 2011, 12 and 12, 13. So we have to compare the difference of exchange rate, means profit or loss due to exchange rate in 2011-12 financial year and 2012-13. So we will consider the exchange rate as we have not paid that goods purchased on 24th. So we have paid on the exchange 5/6/2012, 5th June 2012 we have paid. So our liability was on 31st March 2011 was that we will consider that on 31st March that will be the 47 rupees exchange rate is there. So difference in exchange rate we will consider that 47.50 and 47. So 0.5 and loss will be 50,000. This we have derived this answer based from the our expert of commerce and account. Scene cost is rupees 15 lakh, freight charges 25,000 and cartridge cost 2,000, is installation cost 18,000, testing cost is 40,000. Then total cost to be taken as per AS accounting standard for property, plant and equipment. We will add all these costs and that will be 15,85,000. Next, book value is 44 lakh. Consideration was 10% debenture of rupees 160 at a premium of 25%. Debenture account is credited with. So this is not a difficult question. If you are considering difficult, it is not difficult question. It was a simple concept based question that you may have read our notes also, that premium of this debenture is credited to security premium account and debenture related payment will be made to the debenture account, will be credited to the debenture account. So premium is of 160 rupees will be 40 rupees. Total payment for a debenture will be 200. So total 2000 debenture will be issued against the book value of 4 lakh. So 160 into 2000, 3,20,000 will be credited to debenture account and 80,000 will be credited to the securities premium account. Simple concept based question was this. Actual output of 1,62,500 units and actual fixed cost of 87 were exactly as budgeted. However, the actual expenditure of 3 lakh was rupees 18,000 over budget. What was the budget variable cost? So budget expenses were 2,82,000, as 18,000 it was over budget. So budgeted variable overhead will be 2,82,000 minus k fixed cost, because variable cost plus fixed cost is total expenses. So it will be 1,95,000. So variable cost per unit will be 1,95,000 divided by 162.5 units. So it will be 1.20. It was a simple concept based question. So 10 lots of Nifty rupees 50 per unit was purchased and sold at 80 rupees per unit. Total transaction cost in both leg was paid rupees 225. A lot contains 75 units. Then profit realized is, so answer will be 22175, as 80 minus k 50 is 30 is the profit. 75 is the unit in a single lot. 10 lot was there. So total profit this minus k transaction cost will be 225. So it will be the answer. Next, in a process 8,000 units are introduced during a period. 5% of input is normal loss. Closing work in progress 60% complete of 1000 units. 6,600 completed units are transferred to next process. Equivalent production for the period is 7,200 units. So beginning work in process inventory is 8,000 units. Normal losses were 400. So 7,600 units to be produced. So complete units transferred to the next process was 6,600 and closing work in progress was 60% of 1,600. So total equivalent production was done 6,600 plus 6,7,200. Net profit ratio is 5%. Total asset is 90 lakhs. Return on asset is 9%. Then total asset turnover ratio we have to calculate. Net profit 8,10,000. Net profit percentage, how we calculate? Net profit divided by sales. So sales we can calculate from here, 1,62 lakhs. So total asset turnover ratio is formula given in our content also, that total asset turnover ratio will be the sales divided by average total assets. So total asset is 90 lakhs, sales is 1 crore 62 lakhs, so it will be 1.8. So these were 48 questions. 2 questions were very lengthy, so that we have not covered in this video, and actually that students cannot memorize such lengthy questions, so we have covered all the 48 questions. So these are our courses for RBI grade B and IRD, NABARD grade A, and FSI technical officer, central food officer, UPSC, EPFO exam we are providing. So as currently that RBI grade B exam is going to be happen in 6 March phase 1 exam and phase 2 in April. So we are providing the content for phase 2 of RBI grade B. As you have seen that CB grade also we have provided very specific content, and most of the question you can easily attempt from that content. And similarly we are providing the specific content for RBI grade B exam and NABARD grade A and B. You can subscribe in the most economical courses as per new pattern of the exam, and share the video as much as possible, and also subscribe our channel for continuous videos. We will keep sharing information about the exam, important content, and thank you and happy learning.